Are you dreaming of starting an event planning business? With the right strategy and passion, you can make it happen, transforming special moments into unforgettable experiences. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about how to start an event planning business. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. And without further ado, let's get started. Understanding event planning and its appeal. An event planning business helps clients organize and manage their events, whether personal like weddings and birthdays or professional like conferences and product launches. Event planners handle tasks such as securing venues, managing budgets, organizing guest lists, and coordinating with vendors, allowing clients to enjoy their events without stress. People hire event planners to save time and reduce stress. Organizing an event involves many details, and event planners bring their expertise to ensure everything goes smoothly, allowing hosts and guests to focus on enjoying the event. For instance, a couple might hire an event planner for their wedding to handle everything from booking the venue to coordinating with caterers and photographers. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and enjoy coordinating events, a career in event planning might be perfect for you. Event planners often work weekends and holidays and need good management and communication skills. Certifications like Certified Special Events Professional or Certified Meeting Planner can also boost your credibility and help attract more clients. Gaining relevant experience. Before starting your own event planning business, gaining experience in the industry is crucial. Working for an established event planning company can provide you with valuable insights into industry trends, pricing, and best practices. It also allows you to build a network of potential clients and vendors, which will be beneficial once you start your own business. Consider seeking out internships or volunteer opportunities in event planning. This will give you hands-on experience and help you understand the intricacies of planning and executing successful events. Learning from experienced event planners will also allow you to identify and develop the skills needed to excel in this field. Setting business goals and developing a business plan. Once you have some experience, it's important to set clear goals for your event planning business. Start by deciding the types of events you want to specialize in, like weddings or corporate events. Think about what makes your business unique and how you can stand out from competitors. Having a clear vision will help guide your strategy and operations. Next, create a detailed business plan. This plan should include an overview of your business, your goals, and a market analysis. Outline the services you will offer and the types of events you will focus on. Include information about your target market and competitors. Describe your marketing and sales strategies and how you will attract and retain clients. Finally, create a financial plan with startup costs, projected revenue, and a budget for your first year. This plan will help turn your goals into a successful business. Conducting market research. Market research is an essential step in starting any business. Begin by identifying your target market and determining if there is sufficient demand for your services. Research the demographics of your area to understand the potential client base. If you plan to focus on high-end weddings, for example, you'll want to ensure that there are enough clients in your area who can afford your services. Additionally, analyze your competitors to see what services they offer and how they market themselves. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill with your unique services. Understanding your competitors and the overall market will help you position your business effectively and identify opportunities for growth. Legal considerations. Forming an LLC. Now, one of the first steps in starting your event planning business is to choose a legal structure. Forming a limited liability company, an LLC, is often the best option for event planners. An LLC provides personal liability protection, meaning your personal assets are protected if your business faces legal issues. It also offers tax flexibility and less administrative paperwork compared to other business structures. Now, to form your LLC, you will need to choose a business name, file the necessary paperwork with your state, and apply for an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This EIN will allow you to operate your business independently from your personal finances, making it easier to manage your taxes and hire employees. And remember, if you don't want the hassle of doing the paperwork, you can simply reach out to Northwest by clicking the link in the description. Building your online presence and marketing your event planning business. In today's digital age, having a professional and visually appealing website is essential for attracting clients to your event planning business. Your website should provide information about your services, pricing, and past events, with high-quality photos and testimonials to build trust. Including a blog can establish you as an expert in your field and improve your website's search engine rankings. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly so potential clients can easily access it on their phones. Marketing is also crucial for drawing clients to your event planning business. Create a strong brand identity that reflects the types of events you specialize in, and use this branding consistently across your website, social media profiles, and business cards. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are powerful tools for showcasing your work and connecting with potential clients. Share photos from past events, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your planning process, and client testimonials. Consider using paid advertising, such as Google Ads and social media ads, to reach a broader audience. Now, as your business grows, word-of-mouth referrals will become an important source of new clients, so always strive to provide excellent service and build strong relationships. Financial management and funding. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for the success of your event planning business. Start by setting up a separate business bank account and investing in accounting software to track your income and expenses. Create a budget for your business and monitor your cash flow regularly to ensure you are staying on track. Now, when starting your business, you may need to secure funding to cover your startup costs. If you don't have enough savings, consider seeking out investors or applying for a small business loan. Research different funding options and choose the one that best fits your needs and financial situation. Understanding startup costs. Starting an event planning business involves various costs that can differ based on your location and business size. Common expenses include renting office space, which can be free if you work from your home, or cost several $1,000s a month for a dedicated office. Technology and supplies like computer and office furniture typically range from $1,000 to $5,000. Annual licenses and permits can cost between $250 and $1,000. Monthly advertising can range from $100 to $1,000, while legal and accounting services can cost anywhere from $120 to $5,000 annually. Business insurance usually ranges from $400 to $1,200 annually. Creating a detailed budget and financial plan will help manage these costs and ensure your business is financially sustainable. Networking and building relationships. Building strong relationships with vendors, clients, and other event planners is essential for the success of your event planning business. Attend industry events and join professional organizations to network with others in the field. Building a strong network can lead to valuable referrals and partnerships that will help your business grow. Now, when working with vendors such as caterers, florists, and photographers, strive to build long-term relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Reliable vendors are crucial for the success of your events, and having a trusted network of partners will make your job easier and more efficient. So, starting an event planning business is an exciting journey that combines creativity and organization. By following these steps, you can build a successful business that brings your clients' visions to life and leaves lasting memories. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC for as little as $39. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.